Good morning, students. Today is your second lecture of log on to Flash CS3, the second video. Students, tools in Flash. Tools in Flash using the tools panel. The tools panel consists of many tools that help in drawing, coloring, and modifying an object. With the help of tools, we can create shapes like rectangle, circle, line, or any other object. Most of the Flash tools work similar to the tools as in Microsoft Paint. Okay, you are using the Paint, whereas arrow. This is the arrow and this sub selection. This is a line and lasso, pen, text, oval, pencil, ink bottle, eyedropper, hand, zoom, eraser, paint bucket, brush, rectangle, text, lasso. ठीक है, these are tools used in Flash. Then shortcut key of the tools: arrow tool V, sub tool, sub select tools A, lasso tools L, line tool N, pen tool P, text tool T, oval tool O, rectangle R, pencil tool Y, brush tool B, ink bottle tool S, paint bucket tool K, dropper tool I, eraser tool E, hand tool H, zoom tool M. Okay. Creating animation. So one by one, select rectangle tool, select properties of stroke color, stroke style and stroke height from the property inspectors. Select fill color and choose any color of your choice. Hold and drag the mouse pointer the stage as the rectangle shape is created. Release the left mouse button. Draw the rounded rectangle. Specify rounded corner by clicking the round rectangles modifier and type in an corner radius value in the property inspector. Now draw a rectangle on the stage. You will get a rounded rectangle with the specified corner setting. In the creating animation Flash, you create animation by changing the content of successive frames. You can make an object move across the stage, increase or decrease its size, rotate, change color, fade in or out, or change shape. Change can occur independently of or in concern with other changes. For example, you can make an object rotate and fade in as it moves across the stage. Then there are two methods for creating an animation sequence in Flash. Number one, frame by frame animation. In frame by frame animation, you create the image in every frame. Second point, tuned animation. In tuned animation, you create starting and ending frames and let Flash create the frames in between. Flash varies the object size, rotation, colors or other attributes evenly between the starting and ending frames to create the appearance of files. Tuned animation is an effective way to create movement and change over time while minimizing file size. In tuned animation, Flash stores only the values for the change between the frames. In frame by frame animation, Flash stores the value for each complete frame. Keyframes in your line, keyframes, polystar tools. So after that animation, we will discuss the one by one tools. We will discuss the drawing tools also. Rectangle tools. This tool is used to create square and rectangular shape. This tool has an option which can be set to draw a rounded rectangle. Okay. So firstly, we will select select the rectangle tool, then select the properties for the stroke color, stroke style and stroke height from the properties inspector. Select the fill color tool and choose any color for your choice. For a choice, hold and drag the mouse pointer on the stage. As the rectangular shape is created, release the left mouse button. To draw the rounded rectangle, especially rounded corner, by clicking the round rectangle modifier and type in corner radius value in the property inspector. Then the point. Now draw a rectangle on the stage. You will get a rounded rectangle with the specified corner setting. Then the polystar tools. Polystar tools. This tool is used to draw polygon and star figure. Which figure? Polygon or star figure. Select the drop down menu of the rectangle tool. It will display fly out menu. Then select the polystar tools. In this properties inspector, click on the option button. You will get the tool setting dialog box. Click on the drop down list style option and select the star styles. Then enter the number of side. Enter the value from 3 to 32 from number of side. For star point size, enter the number between the 0 and 1 to specify the depth of the star points. A number chooser to 0 create the deeper point. Line tool. The work exactly the same way as the line tool in graphics software. We can use line tool, draw a straight line. Using the line tool, draw the straight line. Click on the line tool. In the property inspector panel, select the color, thickness or line style as needed for the order of events in sequence. Move the pointer on the stage, click and drag it in the direction where you want to draw line. Release the mouse button, you will get a line on the stage. Then the curving. You can turn a straight line into a curve with the selection tool. Okay, if you want to make a curve, then use the selection tool. After drawing a line, click the selection tool, make the line is not selected. Move the pointer on the line when the pointer change to arrow with the curve symbol. Click the drag and line to draw a curve. Release the move button when the curve is made. Next one is pen tool. This tool is used to draw precise path, edge, straight lines or smooth following curve. We can also adjust the angle and the length of the straight segment and the slope of curved segments afterwards. Select the pen tool, click on the stage, define the anchor A. Pencil tool, then selection tool and lasso tool. Pencil tool, it is a freehand drawing tool. Pencil tool, it is a freehand drawing tool. This tool helps to draw line in three different modes: straighten, smooth and ink. Okay. Then selection tool. This tool is used to select a single or multiple object on the stage. Single or multiple object on the stage. Then lasso tool. This is a freehand selection tool. We can use this tool to select irregular shape or area of a drawing or a part of an object. Okay. Then subselection tool. This tool is used to select the nodes of an object. Coloring tool, brush tool. Brush tool, it can be used just like as a brush on a canvas. You can paint a shape with the decreased color using the brush tool. You can specify the brush mode by selecting the brush size and size using the brush tool modifier. Some of the options that below. Normal, paint fills, paint behind, paint section and paint inside. Paint bucket tool. This tool is used for fill enclosed area of an object with colors in a single click. You can also use the paint bucket tool to fill the area that are not completely closed. It also provides modifier to close gaps in shape outline. Then keyframes. A keyframe is a frame where you define change in the animation. When you create frame by frame animation, every frame is a keyframe. In keyframe, twinned animation, you define keyframe at an important point in the animation and let Flash create the content of frame in between. Flash display the interpolated frame of a twinned animation as light blue or green with an arrow drawn between the keyframes. Frame Flash red raws saves in each keyframe. You should create keyframe only at those points in the artwork where something changes. Keyframes are indicated in the timeline. A keyframe with content on it is represented by a solid circle, and an empty keyframe is represented by a vertical line before the frame. Subsequent frames that you add to the same layer will have the same content as the keyframe. Then, to create a keyframe, do one of the following. Number 1, select a frame in the timeline and choose Insert Keyframe. Then right click window, a frame in the timeline and choose Insert Keyframe. Twinning. I think this is the chapter for your next class, in 7th class, twinning. So thank you students. We will discuss the twinning in your next class in 7th.